First of all, congratulations for completing Chapter 6, Functional Programming in Swift. So far, we've taken a look at 3 popular functions out there: filter, map, and reduce. But again, there are a lot more than 3 functions out there in the world of functional programming. All I'm asking you is to understand what goes under the hood, and also the principle behind functional programming is nothing more than passing a closure block, and that closure block is executed within that function. If you want to learn more about functional programming, please check out all the resources as well as the reference talking about functional library. This chapter wasn't just about learning functional programming out there. Again, the purpose of this chapter was to understand what goes underneath of each function, how they are created. As long as you can read someone else's source code that implements functional programming, you're good to go, because all you have to do is understand and just copy their project and then apply in your project. Of course, if you're smart enough to create your own functions, you may, but again, there are a lot of functions out there. Chances are someone else probably have made that function for you. So all we have to do is go to the library, their library, or the Swift Foundation library, and just learn how those functions are created, and good to go. And of course, you know how to make your own functions if you wanted to. That's good to go as well. Recently, I've been working with a framework called React Swift, which implements functional programming along with reactive programming. But I'm not going to talk about in this course. That's an entire new course I may make in the future. But feel free to check those library out and see how functional programming can be used to pass data between objects and so on. Just wanted to tell you guys that reactive as well as functional programming are disrupting how the code has been written for a long time. So just recommend you guys check this React Swift, React Cocoa libraries out there, and you can also wait for my next course. See you guys in the next chapter.